Bismillah.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Antar Rizky
And my name is Ammar Ibrahim.
and today we will show you how to make coffee and Thai tea. And now I will show you the first things to make a coffee. The first step, you must have to pick a cup. Today I will make a coffee and Ammar will make a Thai tea.
Yes.
Who's wanna start first here?
Aye, aye.
Okay.
Okay. So today I want to make a Thai tea. The first thing that you must to do is you must to have this one. What? The tea, of course, because we want to make a Thai tea. Wait. Okay. So you must to use this one. I mean the tea, and you can put in your cup. After that, you may uh, use the water, I mean hot water, to make the tea what mix to the water. Okay, like this one. You may to what stirring up like yes, you can stirring this water and the tea, so it will make it mix. After it already become red, what red color, you may add some sugar if you want. This is optional things. I think it can you can use uh, two to what spoon of tea sugar. Okay. Yes. What? Okay. After that, you may to stir up this one until the sugar mixed to the tea. What happened, sir? What happened?
No, I just
Then after it mix, you may put the milk into the tea. Okay, I think it's enough. Then you may to what put up the milk. After that, you may uh, what is name?
still.
Stir up the spoon to make the milk and the coffee is mixed. Waduh,
It's on.
panas. So hot, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Tuh. It's like macam, sir, the color.
Then
Okay, then after that, first you can what try it first,
okay.
and of course don't forget to sit down and say Bismillah. Yeah, this good. Enough. This good.
Okay.
What this can I?
Yeah, later. Yeah.
Later.
Let it fall.
Okay. Now I will make a coffee. The first step is you must have to pick coffee powder, and then I will put some. What
Oh yeah.
is it?
Yes, the spoon. Yeah.
Okay. I will add some of coffee powder. I will add just a bit.
Wait, wait. One try.
No, 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 no.
And then after that, uh, I will add a bit of sugar. Maybe I just use like around half of tablespoon of sugar.
Too sweet, sir.
And then after that, I will add some of creamer. Okay. And then after that, um, I will put some of hot water. After I add some of hot water, I will stirring up this coffee. Okay, I think it's done. Okay. I will try.
How the
Hmm,
taste?
tastes good.
The sweetness or
Hmm.
not?
I think it's
Be
a
honest,
bit
be honest.
of it's not really sweet, but it can be tolerance.
Enough.
Enough.
Okay. Terus?
Okay, close. So maybe that's all from us for making Thai tea and coffee. So my name is Ammar Ibrahim.
And I'm Antar Rizky.
Okay, sorry if we have some mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.